take his little thighs and scooch him to the back. Then, like a vest, we're going to put the straps on. So they go over his shoulders and over his hips and between his legs. And the same thing here. Over his shoulders, over his hips, between his legs. Make sure it's over the hips like this. Then buckle the chest clip. Then come from behind. Take hold of the shoulder straps and pull up. Keep the chest clip down, so slide it low. Then hold the slack here, and then repeat. Pull up at the shoulders, up at the tail. Up at the shoulders. Keep his little shirt pulled up in between the strap and his neck. That will keep him comfortable. And here, and continue up at the shoulders, up at the tail, until you find that with the clip low, there's no more slack that pulls up. One finger fits at the collarbone, that means it's not too tight. And if 2 fingers could fit underneath at the collarbone, which they can't, like that, that'd be too loose. Another way of saying too loose is you can pinch the strap over on itself at the collarbone, which I can't do. Always check with the chest clip low, then move it up to the top of the armpits when you're done. When you take your baby out, you want to loosen the straps. There will be a tab to either push down or lift up one near the tail. Make sure you don't hold on to the tail in any way. And then use your other hand and pull the shoulder strap forward.